Sorry, guys. Hey guys, it's me, Gamezilla Gaming, and here's another of the humor slash comedy. And I'm sorry for being late this time. It's just because I'm sorry for I had some things to do. So let me just get to it, okay? Okay.
Aren't you going to introduce me? Oh, God, how rude of me. I'm sorry. This is Arthur, my father-in-law. Arthur, this is just one of the coolest people here at the firm. Great gal. Think of something. Think. Oh, God.
Oh, my God, he's having a heart attack.
What's happening? Can you describe the pain? He has pain just shooting down my right arm. No, heart attack would be pain shooting down the left arm. I meant my left. I said right for you. I switched around for you. Just hang in there, all right? We'll be in the emergency room in a minute. I love you. You'll be okay. Don't worry. I'm faking it. I'm still waiting for my thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry, Doug. Thank you. Thank you for faking a massive heart attack in front of all the people I work with because you forgot somebody's name.
You're welcome.
What were you thinking?
I was thinking about you. I was trying not to embarrass you.
Not embarrass me? You were carried out on a stretcher. People were praying for you.
You're missing the big picture here. What's-her-face doesn't know I forgot her name. That's called thinking on your feet.
You know what might have been a better thought, Doug? If you remembered Molly's name from any of the 5 times that you met her.
It's very easy to be a Monday morning quarterback.
Let me ask you, what do you do when somebody asks you for the time and you don't have a watch? Do you swallow your own tongue?
No, but that's going right in the bank for next time. I'll tell you that. Hospital at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Oh, and your husband at All Saints Hospital at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Oh, and no food for 12 hours before. Hold on to your skirt. I had Mario attempt the very first ever quadruple cheese pizza. I swear, it's like I'm holding the body. Let's dig in. What?
Right back at you. Come on, baby, whip me a stuffed animal.
Carrie, I can't go in there. I'm claustrophobic.
It's going to be a rough half hour for you.
Half hour?
Longer if you move.
Doug? Is that you? Oh, you're a sight for sore eyes.
Doug, you remember meeting Mr. Dugan?
Of course I remember, Mr. Dugan. Please, we're family. Call me Andrew. Okay. Tell me, how you feeling? Great.
Yeah, and your doctors gave him a great diet, and I will make sure that he sticks to it.
Fantastic. I tell you what, why don't you go up to my office and get Doug a set of Dugan Group Golf Club head covers?
I am on it.
Anyway, Doug, it's good to see you up and about. Makes me feel better that you feel better. Well, thanks so much, Mr. Dugan. Come on now, Doug. What did I tell you to call me?
Oh, here you golf club thing.
Thanks.
Thank you for listening to these footnote humor. I'm going to continue soon, and also I have an upcoming project, so like, comment, subscribe, and I bet this project that I'm working on is